guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to be doing a vlog, but for the first couple minutes I do want to talk to you guys for a little bit. Please ignore my appearance. My skin is going through it. It really is. If you ever want to know how my week is going or how my life is going in general, just look at my skin. You'll be able to figure it out real freaking quick. What I wanted to talk to you guys about. We got a phone call from our venue on Monday, today's Wednesday, and she let us know that they're only doing 50 people, 50 guests per event, which that would be completely fine. I completely understand that. I kind of figured that was probably going to happen, that we would have to limit our guest count. I figured that was going to happen, whatever. We're getting married on December 5th no matter what. But she also let us know that she foresees the venue closing before our wedding and us kind of being screwed. So she basically told us that if it were her, she would find a completely different venue or just come up with a completely different plan, because she does not foresee any more weddings happening there in 2020. So that was obviously a real bummer. I could live with only having 50 people there. Okay, it's less than what we wanted, but I could live with it. We're still getting our dream wedding, just without a ton of people. So I could live with that. But without having a venue, you can't have a wedding without a venue. So we're just trying to figure out what the heck to do. We've called a couple other places, and literally all of these places, even though it's you are only allowed to invite so many people, they are still charging the full amount, which sucks. And I don't understand how that makes sense and how that's fair to anyone. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and charge you for 200 people, even though you can only have a quarter of that, or possibly at the very max 100 guests. That just doesn't make any sense to me. Why should I pay for 200 people if I'm only having 100? What? And not to mention, it is literally quadruple the price of what we were paying for our venue. We got a fantastic deal on our venue, and it was exactly what I wanted, in the sense that it was basically a blank canvas, and I got to decorate it however I wanted to, which is what I wanted. I just wanted a building and be able to decorate it the way I wanted to. So obviously with all these other venues, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more decorated and kind of has its own type of theme. I mean, obviously we'd still decorate and everything, but minus one of them. One of them, it has so many rules, not related to the coronavirus, but literally just has so many freaking rules. You have to use all their vendors, and you have to use this, and it's just a lot of rules, and it's the exact same price, and I'm 100% not going to do that. But I also cannot see spending quadruple the price of what we were going to spend for something that I don't want, and it's still not being my dream wedding and not being what I want. So I don't know, I'm stuck between a rock and a hard spot. I don't know what to do. We're still getting married December 5th no matter what. We're for sure, we don't want to wait to get married. We're going to get married. We're just not sure how we're going to do it. We could just get married in the church, but we just obviously wouldn't be able to have any kind of reception. I mean, we could just have cake, but you can't have alcohol in the church, obviously. And we're getting married in December, and so it's going to be really cold outside, because we do live in Illinois, so it's going to be super cold. And so it's not like we can have an outside wedding or anything. We could do it in our house, but I don't know, we only have one bathroom, and I don't like that. Because I mean it'd be tough to have 50 people all crowded for, I don't know. I just don't think, I really don't think it would work in our house. And Brandon wants to do it in our garage. We have a 2-car garage that we don't use, and he wants to fix it up and remodel it. But I really don't want to do that. I don't want to get married in our garage. I really don't want to. But I mean, that's looking like our only option, unless we just get married and then postpone the reception portion until next year. I don't know. What do you guys think? Coronavirus is really coming in and just kind of trying to ruin my entire life. I had nothing cool going on up until this point, and then finally, whenever I get some cool stuff happening, I get engaged, we're getting married, coronavirus is I don't think so. I don't think so. So, yeah, that's great. Another thing that coronavirus ruined is, so I got Brennan the best gift in the entire world for our, like, day of gifts. So I got him Philadelphia Eagles tickets, front row, at the Philadelphia Eagles Stadium. Literally, I could not gotten a better gift for Brandon Lee. But the NFL is not allowing fans this year. So thankfully they did give me like a voucher, and so like I can use the voucher. Like the voucher's worth exactly what I paid, and so I can use the voucher for tickets in the future. So we'll get to go. We just won't get to go this year, but I was really looking forward to it. It wasn't like in this year. It was in 2021. It was in January. It was like literally the last game. But I was really looking forward to it because we weren't going to take a honeymoon because of the coronavirus. Like, we didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money, and then like it just ended up getting canceled. And so I was really looking forward to having that like little weekend trip, because we were going to do like a whole weekend out of it, like kind of like an extended weekend type of thing, because we were going to go to New York, and then we were also going to stop in Scranton, because, you know, I love The Office. And so it was going to be like a whole thing, and it was going to be kind of like a little mini moon, and so I was really excited for it, but we don't get to do that now, so it is what it is. Whatever. Things are just not working out the way I wanted to. I was very optimistic that everything would work out in my favor, and I'm coming to that conclusion that it's not, and I really need to change my mindset, because I mean, it's just not. There's one thing about being optimistic, and there's another thing about being like stupid optimistic, where you're just like so optimistic that like there's no way that's gonna happen. And I feel like we're at that point now where there's no way that it's gonna happen. Like, because there's only 2 venues in our area that have our day open, and like I said, I'm not paying quadruple the price. I'm not doing it. I'm just not. So unless by some miracle someone drops out of a different venue for our date, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. But that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about this morning. So I am gonna take you guys throughout my day. I'm just gonna work for a little bit, a couple hours, because I decided I'm gonna go ahead and take half a day today, because, you know, why not? I deserve it. I scratched my eyeball, and so my eyeball is hurting so freaking bad, and so I deserve to take a half day. So I'm gonna take a half day, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Real quickly, show you guys exactly where Tinsley lays every single day while I'm working. Literally lays right in this spot. I have my right leg down, my left leg up with a blanket, and she lays in this spot all day, every single day while I work. She's so cute. Look at me. Tinsley. Okay. She's like, Mom, I'm trying to sleep. Come on. All right. Let's get back to work. Brandon and I just made dinner. Coleslaw, potato salad, and barbecue chicken, pulled chicken. So good. Oh, yes. And someone is sad that she doesn't get any. Hi there, baby girl. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. So cute. Okay, guys, so my wedding band just came in the mail, and I'm so excited. So I'm not gonna show you guys yet, just because I wanna film a whole video talking about, first I wanna film a video talking about my engagement ring. I'm gonna do that this weekend. And then I'm gonna film a video revealing mine and Brandon's wedding bands. I'm so excited. So we have to wait until we get Brandon's wedding band and everything. But I'm gonna do a whole video literally like kind of revealing them. But I just kind of wanted to get my reaction on camera to actually seeing it. I'm so excited. So I did get a custom made wedding band. I'm literally so excited. Oh, here's a coupon. Awesome. Yes. Okay. So I just want to get my reaction because, ooh, and it's such a cute little velvet box. Okay. Oh my God. I'm crying right now. I want to try. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm such a Oh, shit. I totally told you guys. You're probably gonna hear Tinsley. Okay. She wants to be part of it too. Oh my god. It is absolutely perfect. Oh. It's exactly what I wanted. Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed. Okay. I can't believe I'm crying. This is actually something. I'm so happy that this came in the mail this week. I'm sorry. You're definitely gonna hear Tinsley. I'm so happy that this came in the mail this week because I definitely needed this after like finding out that our venue and everything, we're not gonna be able to have like the wedding that we planned. So I definitely needed this. So thank the good Lord that it came this week because I'm so freaking happy about this. This is literally perfect. Okay, that's all. I'm sorry. I won't like get your excitement up anymore and like, you know, let you down since you don't actually get to see it yet. But just know that it's perfect and I love it. I literally love it. Okay. All right. I gotta go, guys. Bye. Real quickly, I wanted to tell you guys my all-time favorite dip recipe. It's just like a recipe that Brandon like created just out of nowhere one day. He just mixed a couple ingredients together, but it is so good and I absolutely love it. And it's literally just 3 ingredients. So you just do however much you like actually want. So if you want like a big huge container of it, then obviously you'd use like the whole thing sour cream. But if you just want like a little bit to like snack on in one setting, then you just do a couple tablespoons, because that's how we do it. We just kind of make it like whenever we want it and not necessarily make like a huge container of it. Anyway, you just use sour cream, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and a little packet of taco seasoning, and you do the barbecue sauce and the taco seasoning like to taste, and so you literally just add a little bit of each and it is so good. I'll show you what it looks like. It doesn't look too appetizing so far as to eat on it, but it is so stinking good. It tastes exactly like pulled pork nachos. Like if you've ever had like barbecue pulled pork nachos, tastes exactly like it minus pulled pork. So stinking good. If you guys couldn't tell, tonight was taco night. I recently, this was the first time we've done it, but I started adding black beans to our tacos, and it is so good. I forgot what it is this time. Forgot to buy it, but whatever. It is so good with black beans. I mean, like whenever we get tacos from like restaurants and stuff, we'll get black beans in it, but I don't know why I've never thought to add it whenever we make tacos out. I don't know, but we're gonna eat this. Let's do it. Guys, I literally just got done cleaning my entire office and it looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys. It's all so clean. You can finally see the floor again. Yes. I can't remember what I've told you guys and what I haven't told you guys because I filmed a vlog. Oh, please ignore my hair. I don't know what's going on with it. I filmed a vlog for last week that was supposed to go up last Friday, but I literally posted it, or like I tried to upload it to YouTube 4 times, and all 4 times I kept getting an error saying that it couldn't upload to YouTube for some reason. I have no idea why. So I just said screw it, and it's not going up. So I can't remember exactly like what I said in it, but I did say a couple of things. One of them I know is that I got a new laptop, and I actually did like an unboxing for that vlog, but you're never gonna see it. But I got the MacBook Air, and it is, oh, hello, my mirror turned on, and it is so pretty, and it's like, it's the gold color. It's just, I mean, just look at it. It's just so adorable, but it is so stinking tiny. It's like, look at how tiny that is. So stinking thin. Please ignore my desk. It's very gross right now. For some reason, I can never get anything off of this desk. Like if you get makeup on it, it is gonna stay there no matter what kind of cleaner you use. So I'm probably just gonna have to repaint it, but it looks so good. I still have to set it up still because I literally haven't gotten on it. I've been using my old laptop, but I'm gonna start using it tonight. I'm going to edit this vlog on my new Mac, which I'm really excited about. I haven't used it yet because I didn't realize it, but this one doesn't have like any kind of like plug-in or like where you can put your like your USB, not USB, your SD card in, like on the side, like my other one, because I have my other MacBook was literally from like 2010, so it's like heckin' old. So I ordered a thing on Amazon, just like a little, let me get it real quick. It just came in the mail like yesterday, but if I can get it all open. Here we go. But it's just like this little card reader, and you just like plug it in, and it has the SD card and then like the USB ports. So it was like 10 bucks, not bad at all. And then I also got this little case to hold like the charger and stuff in. So, all right, that is it for this vlog, I think. I don't know what else I have to tell you guys, but I think that's it. I am going to edit this video and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and yeah, we're gonna do it all again tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.